Hi, this is King of Review. Here we want the coefficient of x squared y to the fourth when we expand 2x plus 4y raised to the sixth power. Multiplying this 2x plus 4y expression 6 times would take a long time and we might easily make an error. So we can use a shortcut called the binomial theorem, named for this polynomial which has two terms, 2x and 4y, meaning it's a binomial. Here's how the binomial theorem works. It says, when you raise this to the sixth power, there will be several terms. If you want the nth term in that series, you take 6, the power we're raising it to, choose n, where this is the mathematical combinations formula. You multiply that by a to the 6 minus n, where a is the first term in the binomial, in this case 2x, times b to the n, where b is the second term in the binomial, in this case 4y. I want x squared y to the fourth. I want 6 minus n to be 2 and n to be 4. Well, if n is 4, then this will work out. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this means I want the fourth term in this series. And according to this formula, that will be 6 choose 4 times a to the 6 minus 4 is 2 times b to the fourth. So there's several things we need to figure out here. First, we need 6c4. In general, if you want to find NCR, n choose r, this formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So if we want 6c4, that's 6 factorial over 4 factorial times 6 minus 4 factorial. And let's see, 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. These two both have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 in them. We can cancel those out, and all that we're left with on top is 6 times 5. Everything that comes before 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which canceled with the denominator. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So now we have 15 times a, which is 2x squared, times b, 4y, to the fourth. Alright, let's see, we have to do some expanding again. We have to distribute the 2 to the 2 and the x, and the 4 to the 4 and the y. So this will be 15 times 2 squared times x squared times 4 to the fourth times y to the fourth. Well, let's see, 15 times 2 squared is 4. I'm going to bring 4 to the fourth to the front to go in front of the variables. 4 to the fourth, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is 256. And then we have x squared times y to the fourth. So if we're looking just for the coefficient of this term, we need all of these numbers multiplied together. And if you do 15 times 4 times 256, you get 15,360. So that is the coefficient of x squared y to the fourth. Thanks for watching.